Hi everybody, welcome back to The Young Grower. So in this video, we're going to be planting our broad beans. These are going to overwinter. I will put the name of the variety on the screen. We have lots of them to plant. Well, I had a really good crop this year. By sowing them now, you'll get an earlier crop than what you would if you sowed them in the spring. I'm going to plant them in this raised bed behind me. I already prepared it with bloodfish and bone about a month ago, and I've just added a fresh layer of compost. I'm going to make this as quick as possible, so yeah, hopefully you can grow them the same and you get an amazing crop. I did not like broad beans at the beginning of the year, and I grew them, and yeah, I've fallen in love with them. They're absolutely beautiful, and it's one of the easiest things I've ever grown. Plant them, leave them, I don't even stake them. The grow calendar is still available to purchase. It has all dates from when to start broad beans to multiple different things, and it's for beginners and experts alike, full of tips. So yeah, head over to theyounggrower.co.uk if you want to purchase one while they're still in stock, because they're selling very fast, and yeah, don't miss the opportunity to have a guide and some inspiration for next year's planting. So I'm planting these in my no-dig kitchen garden. I'm going to do them in this raised bed. At the end we do have some spinach, and there's a salvia hot lips. We're going to fill the rest of these beds up. Last year I think I got about 84, 86 seeds. We did 12 rows of 7, I believe. Yeah, we'll do something very similar again this year. And what we do is we plant them at least 6 inch deep. I've marked it out on a broomstick handle. By doing them this deep, you don't need to support them. I did not support any of my broad beans this year, and it was very windy. I planted them this deep to see how it does, and I got some advice off some people, and they told me to plant them at least 6 inches deep, and this way they won't need support. Like I said, the farmers do it that way apparently. But yeah, it worked really well, so hopefully this will encourage some of you to do the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make holes 15 centimeters apart. Yeah, let's get to it. So keep watching this video to the end, and I'll tell you the details how you can win yourself a grow calendar and a pack of broad beans to plant now. So there'll be 2 lucky winners, and you'll get a grow calendar and a pack of broad bean seeds. So that is 70 holes done, and they're about 6 inches deep. It doesn't have to be perfect. They're 15 centimeters apart, and again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can do them a bit closer, you can do them a bit further apart, you can do them a bit deeper or not so deep. One reason I like to do them deeper as well, it hides them from the mice even more. So if you're really prone to having mice dig them up, get them deeper in the better. And it may be worth dropping 2 seeds in the hole. Yeah, let's get to putting 1 seed in each hole, and then we'll move on to the next bit, and that is covering it all over. That is all the broad beans put in there, and there's 10 rows of 7, so that's over 70 broad beans planted, and then there's a few left over, and I just put them in random holes. Some of them have 2, and I like to multi-sow my stuff, and last year I did it and they actually did okay. So all we have to do now is just cover it all over, fill the holes in, yeah, and then just leave them. I'm not going to water, well, the soil is very wet and it's going to be raining again later. And there we go, that is the broad beans all done for this year, and we just wait for them to come up and get an early harvest in the spring, which is going to be absolutely amazing. So for the competition, you need to head over to Facebook and look for the most recent post, and you'll see it's going to be a giveaway. Yeah, so get sharing, make sure you like and follow my page. There's over 600 of you that have followed my page but haven't actually liked it yet. So if you want to win this competition, you need to make sure you have liked my page, go onto my main page and look for the like icon. And that is it from me here today. So thank you for watching, and we will see each other soon.